now what has happened because of this 12 hours of duty, their human rights will be violated like anything. And that is actually it is not required. This extension of duties is not required. The reason given by the government is that productivity has gone down and there is a just lack of this workmen. I challenge this government. If the CM asks me to bring a 2,000 workmen within 2 days, 2,000 workmen will be provided by me. I have got this means thousands of workmen, Goan educated unemployed army is this lying at this idle. So this 12 hours work, this human rights will be violated, and in long run, this we won't have this efficient workmen, this workforce to run the industries. It is a loss for our state.
It will boom the industries like
No,
workforce
never.
wise.
See, initially what I'll say, suppose you have got a good machine and if you use it like anything, this uncontrolled, in the long run this machine will not give the this capacity and this the life expectancy for which that machine is expected for. So the life expectancy of this workman will be reduced. That is what this so it is a loss for a state, and actually it is an injustice on a workman of this state.